Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to take a full screen screenshot with GoFullPage. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do, you need to find the web page where you want to, which one you want to screenshot. Then what you're going to do, you can use keyboard shortcut Alt Shift and P. On the Mac you have Option Shift P, or you can just simply click the camera icon, so which we will do that right now. As you can see, now it takes the whole page here. Okay, the second thing is that we can save it, so we can download the image in PNG format, or we can download PDF. Here at the top right corner I'm showing you. You can also delete image, report issue, also edit. So if you click on it, you can edit this one here. But you can download it in PDF or PNG, so which is really cool. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.